Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Schedule C profit and loss using QuickBooks reports. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and log into your company file. Navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Reports. In the Reports screen, type Profit and Loss into the search bar. Select the Profit and Loss report from the results. Set the date range for the report to match your Schedule C filing period. Click on the Run Report button to generate the Profit and Loss report. Once the report is displayed, review the income and expense categories. Look for any discrepancies that may affect your Schedule C. If needed, adjust any transactions that may have been misclassified. Go back to the left-hand menu and click on Accounting. Select Chart of Accounts to view your account listings. Locate the specific expense or income account you wish to review. Click on the account name to view its transactions. Check each transaction for correct categorization and amount. Make any necessary adjustments directly in the transaction details. After corrections are made, return to the Reports section. Rerun the Profit and Loss report to confirm the changes reflected. Next, find the Export button at the top right of the report. Choose the option to export the report to Excel or PDF. This will allow for easy access to your profit and loss data for Schedule C. Review the exported report for accuracy. Use this document to fill out your Schedule C form. Keep your records organized for future reference. Regularly update your QuickBooks to maintain accurate financial data. Consider running the report monthly to stay on track. This ensures your Schedule C information is always up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.